And my puppy's not coming home today because he feels in the stomach. And that's all I wanted to say, Mommy. With a camper, with Jack and I, and Ryan. And a camper, and Poppy, and I, and me, and Ella, and Mommy, and Pappy, and
who else?
Amanda, and Rebecca, and Popo, and a camper, and the girls.
Ella. Ella, look at Mommy. Hey, Ella, look. Ella, say thank you. What do you say? Ella, what do you say? Thank you. Say thank you. Are you busy? Can you say thank you? Did you say thank you? Ella, can you say bye? Say I love you. Blow kisses. Ella. Mwah. But say I love you. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ella, can you say thank you? Are you busy? Thank you. Are you busy?
Yeah. I can't. I'm tired.
Antonio, tell me the story of Sakia.
What did he do?
He stole tax money for people to make himself rich. And then when somebody drops tax money, pick it up and give it to them for them leave.
Right. Should you keep it or give it to them?
Give it.
Yes.
When the left already, you should pick it up and never give it back. That would be a long drive somewhere. Wait for it.
I love that foot.
Yes, we did that for the day.
Did you have fun? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Did you have fun at pajama day?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Wait. Oh, Ella. Hi, Ella.
I'm making my foot dry.
What's she doing?
Swimming. It's a puppy. And make a video of it.
I am. Thank you.
And a picture of it. Four more times. 4 more times.
And they said if you have 10 more minutes for homework and then you have to go to bed.
What's your name? No, but Ella, good girl. Ella. What's your name? No, it's not good. It's Ella.